look at this game. This is me, the big square. So I thought it would be funny if all of these tokens that are coming from the side would be medicine. And it, yeah, you're gonna see what I mean. It's gonna be cool. I hope it's gonna work. Oh yeah, and someone in the comments suggested that I should try Python, so this is Python right here. I've been just testing it a little bit off camera just to see what I'm working with. I don't know exactly how to do this, obviously, so I'm just gonna improvise, and hopefully it's gonna work on the first try. Make the same game again, but the tokens are either caffeine, melatonin, dopamine, ibuprofen, or lysergic acid. Take the pictures locally from my desktop. I really hope that's gonna work. This is what happens to the game when you take each of these molecules. Oh, I forgot to say what's gonna happen. Okay, so caffeine makes you faster, makes sense, right? Melatonin makes you slower. You know, melatonin is what you need to go to sleep. Dopamine, I thought it doesn't make that much sense, I guess, but it makes the playing board bigger or more zoomed out, because like dopamine makes you more aware, I guess. Dopamine does a lot of stuff, as you know, but one of the things could be that it gives you more overview, I guess. It makes sense within this context, I think. Ibuprofen makes you smaller. Yeah, ibuprofen, as you know, it's a painkiller that also stops inflammation, and inflammation is big. If you stop inflammation, you get smaller. Right? And we have lysergic acid. You might have heard of it. You can probably guess what it is. I'm not gonna say what it is, but yeah, it is missing one letter, and that is because one part of the molecule is missing in this case. This is the version that our teacher wanted us to learn, but obviously there's a more famous version than this for this specific molecule, and it makes the arena smaller, like more zoomed in. Does this really make sense? It doesn't really make sense, right? If ChatGPT didn't understand what I meant, then I'm gonna do this. It zooms in, you know, more details. Obviously also makes sense, right? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Yeah, I think there's an issue with the images. How did I do this last time? Alright. Alright, here we go. No, come on, what? This always happens to me, like when I do something off camera, it just works, and now that I'm recording, it's just not working anymore. What did I do to get the pictures? Like, when I was doing HTML, I could just copy this address of the picture, and it would just be in the game. It's putting, what's it called, the nails in my wheels or whatever. This is a different game that I did, and I just copied the address and it worked, right? Let me run this game again just to make sure I'm not like misunderstanding something. Putting it all in here, running it, and yeah, you see, the lizard, the nuggets. I probably didn't upload this video. I don't know, it didn't turn out that well, but look at this, it looks like the 90s. It literally looks like the 90s. We're a lizard, we're going around collecting these nuggets, and it's even counting how many nuggets we have right here. And look at this, when we take all of the nuggets, yeah. Well, isn't that nice? Anyway, so how does that work, and and the other one doesn't work. Like, okay, let's just compare. Big brain move, let's compare the things. Download negative. Okay, let's just search for download there. Okay, let's do this. Hopefully, come on. Come on. I've kind of lost hope on this. I don't know. Can't believe the nugget and lizard thing worked out so well. No way! No! No way! It's working! Oh my god! Okay. There are some obvious issues, but it's working. Okay, I'm gonna grab the first molecule and see what happens. I can't see what it is because it's way too small. Yeah, that must have been melatonin because we slowed down like a lot. Now, well, yeah, we're gonna have to make this way more bigger because it's really hard to tell. Wow, I can't believe it's finally working. The recording is literally at 50 minutes, not 15. 50. I've been here for 50 minutes trying to make these stupid pictures to show up. Now they're actually showing up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we have to make them bigger. I'm gonna do this myself. Don't need no ChatGPT to help me out. Alright, let's search for size. This is so hard. Yeah, resize the image if needed. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just so scared I'm gonna ruin all of the logic. Oh, okay. 30. Let's go for 100. Please don't break. Please don't break. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 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 There are way too many molecules showing up at once. Can't believe this is finally working. Like, with programming with ChatGPT, I feel like if it starts going a little bit wrong, it's just gonna continue to be wrong and never gonna be correct again. But all of a sudden it is correct. Oh, that's crazy. I can't. All of a sudden, yeah. Wow. What's this one? Is it gonna be the nuggets and the lizard? It is the nuggets and the lizard! Okay. That's funny. That's really funny. Okay. Copy that one. Let's just try and write 10 here and see what happens. No. So let's write 1 over here instead. Okay. Okay, this is better, I guess. So let's take the melatonin. That's supposed to make us slower. And another melatonin, let's see. Yeah, we are kind of slower actually. Is it just lagging or is the melatonin working? I'm taking only melatonin and I'm gonna see if we're slow. Wait! Is what I perceive to be lagging actually the melatonin making us slower? Is it lagging right now? No. What? So it's not working then? I'm taking it again. It's lagging even when I didn't take the drugs. Obviously it's not working. Oh shit, I said the word again. I can't believe. before I started recording, like, I'm not gonna use the D word because I don't want to get in trouble, and whatever. Okay, I'm taking 2 caffeines in a row, let's see. That's supposed to make us really fast. I don't think any of these medications are having any effect on us. It's so hard to tell when the game is lagging too. Let's see what our score is though. Pretty respectable score. Oh no, how do I get back to the game? No, what? That was a mistake. That was a big mistake. What? No. Fuck, where's the game? Where's the game? No. Oh, what a mistake. I'm starting over from the beginning. Alright, here we go. Okay, so do not take this one all the way to the top, it seems. So the drugs are just not working. I did it. I did it again. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. How am I still doing? Oh. I can't believe it. Well, this is not going as expected. I think all of the medication is just causing lag and they're not having their actual medicinal effects. Okay, I'm gonna look in the code and see if there are any clues if ChatGPT tried to add the logic for this or if it's just not even there. Oh really? The logic is here. Okay, let's just make the logic way bigger. No. Let's just make it slightly bigger. Yeah, I'm just gonna almost double it all. Let's just put this to 50 and see if that makes a difference. I don't know what any of this means, so... well, of course I do, like, one is bigger than this, whatever. You already know. I don't know programming, like that's the point of the video, right? Okay, we still have way too many molecules showing up. Why are there like long breaks? They're literally all showing up together in a line. My boyfriend had a look at this code and he managed to get the logic to actually be applied to the game. So let's see what's actually different about this right now. And also he messed around with how many molecules were showing up at the same time. Okay, now we're taking the caffeine and oh, okay. Okay. As you can see, we're now going backwards. So I assume we need to take caffeine to go forwards again. I'm gonna just try my best to be over here. Also, interesting to note, the keys are now in reverse. So when I'm pressing up, it's I'm pressing up right now and it's going downwards. And I'm pressing... Oh, come on, come on. Oh no, that's more melatonin. So now we're gonna go more backwards. Yeah, we're gonna have to start the game over. It's gonna be impossible. Let's try some of the acid. I think nothing happens when we take the acid. What about the ibuprofen? Did you see that? Okay, ibuprofen makes us smaller. Oh, we're so tiny. Okay, how do we get big again though? I'm gonna take some of this. And that one makes us bigger. Okay. So it's not... Okay. It's not zooming out the game, but it's zooming out ourselves. Oh, that actually makes a lot of sense for lysergic acid. That makes a lot of sense. Oh, let's slow down with some melatonin. Speed up. Let's see how fast we can go. Let's take all of the caffeine only. Oh my god. Oh... Let's try to take some melatonin to calm down. This video is not medical advice. No, I accidentally took more caffeine. No. so tiny. We're we're not gonna get out of this mess. We're not gonna get out of this mess. Oh, this is gonna be impossible. We need only lysergic acid and melatonin and none of the other right now. Otherwise... No. We're screwed. We're screwed. I'm gonna have to start this over. No. What? Are we literally... You know, when I click this one to see like what's going on, the whole game is just gone and it's not coming back. Okay, so this time the goal is to not become so small that we disappear, and also not going so fast that that is just too fast. And also, the third goal is to not go backwards. So if we take a caffeine and then we take a melatonin, we wouldn't go backwards, right? Oh, and getting big is a good idea. But that would be, if we get so big that we are the entire screen, then that would just... Then we would catch every single molecule. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Okay, melatonin. Okay, and we're not going backwards. Okay. Some caffeine. I need some melatonin. Oh no. Because now it's way too fast. Some ibuprofen makes us a little bit smaller. Oh, and... Oh no. I think the melatonin is the one with the black line at the bottom, right? Yeah. It's so fast right now. We might need to change how much change there is. Oh no! Oh no, oh no. Because this game always ends up with me getting really small and the game being really fast. No, no, no. Oh, we're screwed, aren't we? Oh, there was melatonin. Oh, yes! Okay. Maybe one more and it's gonna be... Oh! No! Okay. No! It's so hard to avoid all of the caffeine. Oh no, we missed it. Okay, I'm gonna be super sharp. Oh! Super focused, come on. I don't know if I got it. Okay, okay. How little is it slowing down? There's almost no difference. When we're slowed down, I want to see how small we can actually get. Because I think we can literally become invisible if we take all of the ibuprofen. That's funny. That's some crazy logic right there. Okay, now we're actually slow. Look at this. Oh, that was some effort. That was literally some effort. Okay, let's take all of these. Except the caffeine. This game is just avoiding the caffeine. This is actually some fun logic, because like sometimes you want it to go faster, right? If we accidentally slow down too much. Oh, this is perfect. Now we're a bit too big, so we're gonna need some ibuprofen. And I think if we take more melatonin, we're gonna go backwards. Oh, we are. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix this. Although, it's really hard to... No. No. Now we're going fast. Faster backwards. This is so hard, because the controls are inversed. And how am I gonna be able to catch? No! Oh no, I went outside of the screen. Yeah, I'm not coming back inside. Okay, let's start over again and let's just take only the ibuprofen and see how small we actually get. So avoiding these. We could go a little bit faster, but I don't want to fuck with it because it's so easy to go super duper fast. And no melatonin obviously, because then the first melatonin you take, you do go backwards. So maybe we should take one caffeine just to make sure we won't start going backwards. Yeah, that's a great idea, because then we have one extra backward life, right? Yeah, something in one caffeine. Oh, and it's so fast. I don't even remember what the ibuprofen looks like. Oh, it's this one. It's the glitchy one. Maybe we should fix that. But I don't know why it's glitchy and it seems really hard to fix. Wait, which one is it again? It's not the small one, right? Where is it? I'm thinking, oh yeah. The small one is the dopamine, right? No. Was it dopamine? I already can't remember. Wait. So, in this game, ibuprofen and lysergic acid has the same effect then? I forgot that there were 5 of them. I thought there were only 4. Let's see what each one actually does. We know what caffeine and melatonin does, obviously, but the other ones... Let's take the acid first. And that did what? No, and we're already going backwards. Okay. We need to take at least 1 caffeine, because taking caffeine is like a life. It's a guarantee that we won't go backwards anymore. So the caffeine and the... Oh no. Okay, now let's take dopamine. Yeah, dopamine makes it bigger. Here's some acid. What did it do? Ibuprofen definitely makes it smaller. Okay, so I think both dopamine and the acid makes you bigger. Dopamine, yeah. Yeah, okay. So they both have the exact same effect. Makes sense, because I think it would be really hard to program that the actual game is zooming in or out. There's no, like, end goal of this game. Like... the game is... It's almost like real life, you know, because... the end goal in real life is just to stay alive. Yeah, it's almost like real medicine. Oh, it's a bit too fast. Which one is the slow one down? Oh, it's the melatonin. Oh no. Fuck, I've taken so much caffeine right now. Okay, let's just see how big we can get. Let's take all of the big ones. Oh, and actually, cool idea. The bigger you get, the more easy it is to take them. Oh no, no, it's so freaking fast. We can't even see them anymore. I think this is the fastest the game can go. Let's see how fast it is. Current speed 83. Okay, that's really, really fast. Yes, I think this is the fastest and also the biggest, because... Okay, we are getting bigger. Because now it's gonna be impossible to actually decide what we catch, because... this is just way too fast to see what molecule we're actually taking. Yeah, so let's start over from the beginning. Yeah, so that's the biggest, and let's see what the smallest is. So now I'm only taking 1 caffeine and no more. Literally no more. This is the only one that I'm taking. Oh, and that's accidentally taking a lot of dopamine. Now we're only taking the ibuprofen. That's the glitchy one. Okay. Here we go. No more caffeine. It's already a little bit far. Oh no, not that one. Not acid. Oh. And maybe we can do this. Okay. So now we have 1 melatonin. We can take 1 melatonin without going backwards, which is great. Oh, over here we got 1. 2 of them. Alright, we're getting pretty small. It's gonna be harder the smaller we are, obviously. Or... this is actually kinda easy. It's really easy to avoid them when we're this small. Are we on the second smallest version right now, or can we get infinitely small? According to, like, I know like a pixel is the smallest we can get, but like maybe there's some kind of logic that we can get even more small. Oh, this is like a labyrinth. Okay. Oh no. Okay. We're actually going kind of slow. Did we accidentally take melatonin or not? Are we even getting smaller? Oh, it's so hard. Okay. Okay, we are gone. Are we? But is the logic still working? I'm just gonna stand still and see if we catch anything at all. No, or? Are we over here? No, I think we're just gone. Okay, so that's how we lose the game then. If you take way too much ibuprofen, you just lose the game. Okay, so it's really hard to lose the game. No, actually, there should be more ways to lose the game, because if you get that big that we were before, then obviously I would count that as a loss, because it's going so fast that you can't even see. That should mean that there are way more caffeine than melatonin, because if they were balanced, then you wouldn't be going like infinitely fast after a while. Wait, did this change? It did! So we're still alive! We're going backwards! What? Current speed -1. So we are alive, but we're invisible? What? I was sure we had lost. I was sure we were infinitely small. Okay, so how big are we? Maybe that could be a thing, like, because you know here there are updates about what's happening, so maybe there could be an update about how big we are too. So that's crazy, we're still alive.